Welcome, and thank you for joining. Today we'll discuss how growth-oriented retail SMBs can strategically allocate resources to AI, data, and training for maximum impact. In a world where data-driven decision-making is critical, even mid-sized retailers can harness AI to compete with the big players. We'll cover the latest industry trends proving AI's value, review major solution vendors from AWS to Coursera, discuss smart budgeting to balance costs and ROI, and share success stories of retail SMBs like yours. This is about making practical ROI-driven decisions to fuel your growth. The retail industry is undergoing an AI-driven transformation. Small and mid-sized retailers are increasingly adopting AI. In fact, a recent Salesforce survey found 91% of SMBs using AI see a boost in revenue. Retail-focused AI is booming. Spending is expected to hit $20 billion by 2026, reflecting how critical these tools have become. Why? AI delivers tangible benefits, better demand forecasts, optimized inventory, and personalized marketing, leading to improved efficiency and sales. Importantly, your competitors are likely investing. 80% of retail executives expect to use AI automation by 2027. This is a wake-up call. To stay competitive, we need to embrace AI or risk falling behind the curve. Let's talk ROI. The return on investment that AI and data initiatives can deliver. The numbers are compelling. AI isn't just tech for tech's sake. It drives real financial results. For example, small retailers using AI chatbots or recommendation engines have seen 15-25% sales increases. Across many SMBs, AI has proven to save both time and money. One study showed 83% of companies using AI in multiple business areas saved money through efficiency gains. Think of AI as a productivity multiplier. Tasks that took hours can be done in seconds. Analyses that were guesswork become data-driven. This means fewer stockouts, less waste, and more time for your team to focus on strategic work like merchandising and customer engagement. The bottom line? With the right approach, AI investments often pay for themselves through higher revenue and lower costs. To successfully scale AI, retail SMBs need to invest in three core areas: technology, data, and people. First, AI technology. This includes the software, cloud platforms, or AI services that actually do the heavy lifting, like an AWS or Google Cloud AI service running your demand forecasts. Second, data infrastructure. AI is only as good as the data fed into it. We need to budget for data collection, cleaning, and storage. For example, setting up a cloud data warehouse, ensuring data is accurate and up to date. As one CFO aptly said, data quality is essential for AI efficacy, and you must budget for cleaning and normalizing data. Third, talent and training. Your team must know how to use these tools. That could mean training your existing employees in data analytics or hiring a data scientist or an AI-savvy IT lead. If any one of these legs is weak, the whole initiative could wobble. Our strategy must balance all three. The best AI software is useless with bad data or no one who knows how to apply it. The good news is, you don't have to build AI from scratch. Major vendors provide powerful, ready-to-use AI and data platforms suitable for SMB budgets. Cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure have extensive AI services. Think Amazon Forecast for demand planning or Google's Recommendations AI for personalized shopping suggestions, all on a pay-per-use cloud model. This means you can start small without heavy upfront investment in hardware. There are also specialized AI software solutions. IBM's Watson Suite, for example, offers everything from AI-driven customer service chatbots to advanced analytics, and it's been packaged for SMBs. IBM even has a planning analytics tool at about $45 per month per user, showing how affordable these tools have become. On the data side, platforms like Snowflake or Google BigQuery help manage and analyze large datasets efficiently, ensuring even smaller retailers can harness big data. The key is to choose cost-effective, scalable solutions that fit your needs. Many have free trials or tiered pricing, so you can pilot without breaking the bank. We'll help identify which vendor solutions align best with your specific goals, inventory, marketing, etc. Technology alone isn't enough. People make it work. Training and upskilling your employees is one of the highest ROI investments you can make. Fortunately, There's a wealth of resources tailored for businesses of your size. Online learning platforms like Coursera, Udacity, and edX provide courses in machine learning, data analytics, and even specific retail AI applications. Your marketing manager could take a Marketing Analytics with AI course on Coursera, or your operations team could learn Supply Chain AI Basics on Udacity. Many are low-cost and self-paced. Additionally, the big tech vendors offer their own training. AWS, Google, Microsoft all have free online labs and certification programs to ensure your team knows how to use their cloud AI tools effectively. We recommend identifying a few key team members to become your in-house AI champions. Enroll them in relevant courses or certifications. Note that over half of SMBs are already training employees to use AI, which shows how crucial this is becoming. By empowering your people, you not only gain skills but also create a culture that embraces innovation. This cultural buy-in pays off when rolling out new AI-driven processes in your stores or offices. Let's talk about budgeting, a critical aspect. The key principle is to spend strategically, not extravagantly, and always link spending to business value. Start by identifying your top business priorities. Maybe it's cutting inventory costs or boosting online sales, and align your AI project with that. This helps avoid wasting money on cool tech that doesn't move the needle. We advise starting with a pilot project. Rather than allocating a huge sum upfront, set aside a small budget for an initial AI experiment, perhaps 5 to 10% of your IT budget, to implement one high-impact use case. For example, invest a small amount in an AI inventory optimization tool for one product line or in a chatbot for one department, then measure the results. This start small, prove value approach minimizes risk and builds confidence. When allocating your budget, think in buckets. You might allocate, say, 40% to the technology, licenses or cloud usage, 30% to data efforts, maybe cleaning up your customer and sales data, 20% to training your team or hiring an expert, and 10% to any external consulting or integration work. Those percentages can vary, but the point is to cover all bases: tech, data, and people. Importantly, remember that AI isn't a one-and-done purchase. There will be ongoing costs like cloud service fees, data storage, and periodic model updates or tune-ups. We'll look at a sample budget breakdown in the detailed report, but proper planning here ensures you get the best ROI for every dollar invested. Adopting AI does come with challenges, but each has a manageable solution. First, data quality. We can't stress this enough. Many companies have stumbled by feeding poor data into AI, yielding poor results. Garbage in, garbage out. We must allocate time and budget to clean and unify data sources. For a retailer, that might mean consolidating point of sale, e-commerce, and CRM data so the AI sees the full picture of your business. Next, the skills gap. You might worry, do we have the people to do this? If you lack in-house expertise, mitigate by training your team, as we discussed, and possibly bringing in a consultant or vendor support for the initial setup. For example, many vendors, AWS, Microsoft, etc., or third-party consultants can help kickstart a project and train your staff on the job. A cost-effective way to gain know-how. On the cost side, ensure we keep a tight rein on budgets. Cloud services are pay-as-you-go, which is great, but can lead to surprise bills if unmanaged. We'll implement cost monitoring. All major clouds let you set spending alerts or limits. Also, define the project scope narrowly for pilots to avoid feature creep. Lastly, change management. Any new tech can face employee pushback. Will AI replace my job, or simply reluctance to learn new systems? The antidote is involvement and communication. We'll get leadership to champion the AI initiative. Share positive results. Quick wins like, look, the new system helped sell 20% more of product X last week. And train end users thoroughly so they feel confident, not threatened. By anticipating these challenges, we ensure a smoother implementation and higher adoption across the company. Still wondering if this really works for businesses like yours? Let's look at a few real-world SMB case studies that show what's possible. First, a local bakery, a family-run operation, started using an AI-driven demand forecasting tool. By analyzing past sales, weather, and local events, the AI helped the bakery predict daily demand for each product. The outcome? They saw a 20% jump in sales in just 3 months because they finally had the right products in the right amounts every day. No more running out of croissants by 10 a.m. or overbaking bread that goes unsold. Waste went down. Customer satisfaction went up. Second, a boutique clothing store implemented an AI chatbot on their website to answer customer questions and recommend products around the clock. This relatively small investment, the chatbot was a subscription service, yielded a 15% increase in online sales almost immediately. Shoppers got quick answers and personalized outfit suggestions at 11 p.m., leading to more conversions, something the small team could never have covered without AI. Third, a neighborhood bookstore applied AI analytics to its inventory. The system analyzed local reading trends, social media and sales data to forecast which titles would be popular. The result? They kept bestsellers in stock and avoided overstocking niche titles, leading to a 15% boost in sales while cutting down unsold inventory costs. Customers were delighted to find the books they wanted, and the owner's cash wasn't tied up in books collecting dust. I could go on. A niche e-commerce retailer saw a 25% sales increase using AI-driven product recommendations. A small pet store grew revenue 20% with AI-powered personalized offers and more. The common thread is smart, focused investment. These businesses didn't pour millions into AI. They identified a key use case, used accessible AI tools, often from the major vendors we discussed, and ensured their team could manage it. These stories prove that with the right strategy, AI can deliver significant wins for SMBs. Here's a 5-step roadmap to guide your AI initiative from concept to reality. Step 1. Prioritize use cases. Rather than doing a little bit of everything, start with the most impactful area. Ask where could AI make the biggest difference in your business. Perhaps you're often stuck with excess inventory. Then focus on demand forecasting. Or if customer inquiries overwhelm your small team, look at AI customer service. The idea is to pick a use case tightly aligned with your goals. Remember CFO advice. Laser focus on business priorities. Step 2. Leverage the right tools. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. Evaluate solutions from major vendors we discussed. For example, if personalization is the goal, test out Salesforce Einstein or AWS Personalize. Use free trials or small-scale deployments to compare. We will help you vet which tool offers the best bang for your buck in an SMB context. Step 3. Invest in data foundation. Before diving into implementation, get your data house in order. Connect those siloed systems, your POS, online store, marketing database, so the AI has a 360-degree view. This might involve a bit of upfront work, maybe adopting a cloud data warehouse. It's a crucial step. High-quality, consolidated data is the backbone of any successful AI project. Step 4. Upskill and empower your team. Identify team members excited about analytics and technology. Make them your AI champions. Give them time and resources to learn, online courses or vendor workshops. Encourage your whole team to embrace data-driven thinking. When employees see AI as a helpful assistant rather than a threat, adoption soars. It's about building an AI-ready culture inside your company. Step 5. Measure ROI and iterate. As you roll out the pilot, define what success looks like. Is it a 10% increase in conversion rate? A 5% reduction in costs? Set those KPIs early. Track them religiously. If the pilot hits or exceeds targets, great. We can scale that solution across more products or stores. If not, we examine why. Perhaps the model needs refining, or users need more training. Treat it as a learning loop. This agile, iterative approach ensures that each dollar you invest is driving toward a proven return, and it lets you make data-backed decisions on where to expand AI next. In closing, I want to emphasize that AI isn't just a tech trend, it's a genuine growth engine for those who harness it wisely. We've seen how a balanced investment across tools, data, and training can yield impressive returns. Studies show average ROI of around 175% for AI initiatives, with top performers hitting 3x return on investment. For a business like yours, that could mean significant new revenue and cost savings. The examples we discussed prove that even as an SMB, you can punch above your weight with AI. Those who have acted are already pulling ahead. Recall that 91% of AI-adopting SMBs are seeing revenue boosts. and they're improving everything from customer loyalty to profit margins. On the flip side, if one waits too long, there's a risk. You might lose customers to competitors offering more personalized, efficient experiences powered by AI, or you might continue to suffer avoidable inefficiencies. The path forward is clear. With a practical, ROI-focused plan, you can start small and scale fast, achieving quick wins that build into transformative results. And you're not alone in this journey. Our team, Shy GTM, has experience guiding retailers through exactly this process. The next step is to take action. I encourage you to book a consultation with HiGTM. We can dive into your specific business challenges and craft a step-by-step plan to implement AI and data solutions that fit your budget and goals.